So we will solve another two examples about properties of propositions. So first we will start inside the brackets. So then parentheses. There is no calculation to do inside parentheses. So I will look for brackets. So here we have two different signs. When we have two different signs, we use the distribution property, distributing idea. So the first one, P and P prime, P and P prime inside the brackets. The first thing that calculation we are doing. So the next calculation we are distributing by and. P and the next one Q. P and Q. So this is going to happen inside the bracket. So between these two, which sign should I put? I should put
4.
4.
And 4.
I use the brackets again. So right now we can get a result for this one. We should use here equivalent to sign, which is P and P prime. It has the result 0 or P and Q prime and Q prime. So here inside the parentheses, we are going to use one property that we have done before, which is P or 0. If you have P or 0, the result depends on P. If P is true, result is true. If P is false, result is false. So it's simply equal to or equivalent to P. So here we have 0 or something else. So this is not a single proposition, it's a compound proposition. When you have 0 or something else, the result is only that part, whatever you have in there, which is P and Q will be the result inside the brackets. So then here we have and Q prime. Now check that, do we have the same signs or different? We have the same signs. So we can change place of things or place of parentheses.
The same.
So right now we are changing place of parentheses. We are putting the same letters next to each other, Q and the Q prime. These two makes result 0, and then P and 0 is another property. This is going to be 0 always.
Teacher, is this the distributive property?
Yes, here I am using.
Can it also be done with the associative property?
Associative property, like changing places, we are using it in here.
Yes.
We are using it in here.
But from the start, can it?
From the start, can we change places? Which two things would we want to change?
P with Q, and then it can be P prime.
You cannot change it because this Q is connected with OR and P prime here.
Yeah, but what about P and Q? The first P to put it in Q's place, and then Q in P's place.
You can do that property only if you have the same signs. Only if you have the same signs. Like 3 plus 5, 5 plus 3, this is the same. But when you have like 3 times 4 plus 5, right now you cannot change the place of 3 and 5. Like you cannot do it like 5 times 4 plus 3. This doesn't work.
Yes, I get it. Thank you.
Teacher, I did this without the distributive property, or how is it called? And it's still the